This tiny projector packs a big punch in terms of picture quality. It's the LG CineBeam S from our sponsor LG that managed to get such a large screen out of this little projector that it blew me away. So in this video, I'll show you exactly what you should expect, like a massive 100-inch screen, HDR built in, 450,000:1 contrast ratio, and stunning colors with DCI P3 and much more. To start off, the biggest thing, or should I say the smallest thing, is its incredible size. This thing stands at 6.3 inches both in depth and height, with the width of only 4.33 inches, which you have to see in person just to appreciate this incredible small size. Just look at it in my hand. This is crazy. Now looking around the projector, we have the lens itself on the top with a power button here on the side, and we have speaker grills on both of the sides, and then of course in the back we have two USB-C ports and an HDMI with eARC support, which is really nice. And on the bottom we have these rubber feet that stand on any surface with a 1/4-inch universal mount, so if you want to put it up on a stand or mount it on a ceiling, you can do that with this projector. I absolutely love this minimalistic design that LG used for this projector, making it look nice and premium. And in the box it comes with a cable and this remote to navigate the WebOS 24. So the very first time I plugged it in, it was really bright during the day, and yes, it wasn't as visible because I was trying to set it up quickly before moving it to the room, and I was still able to see the projection even though it was this bright. And for setup, I actually like that I was able to use the LG Home app to quickly set up the projector. And what's nice is that once all of the setup was finished, I had all of my previous LG products all synced up, like all of my most visited apps like Hulu, YouTube, and others that I often use. Now once the sun went down later in the evening, I plugged this in my bedroom and powered it on. I had it on my floor about 3 feet away from the wall, and it made a massive screen covering almost my entire wall. And auto keystone worked really well, making it really nice and level in all directions, and it's definitely more than 100 inches, but the picture quality was still nice and sharp, and I didn't notice any sharpness fall off, being that it was so far away from the wall. Now you can also place this projector as close to the wall as 3 inches, and that will get you a screen size of about 40 inches. And with that, you can place it anywhere in your house that you couldn't think of, like in your kitchen, workout room, or your garage. I absolutely love this feature, making this projector ultra portable and customizable to any room. So here's the big picture. The colors are bright, vibrant, and full of details thanks to its 3-channel RGB laser that makes the picture stand out in a short throw projector like this. The brightness is about 500 ANSI lumens. Based on that, in a dimly lit room, it is still bright enough to see the projection clearly, and in dark rooms, it's absolutely stunning. Now the sound quality for its small and compact design is still great, with built-in dual speakers with Dolby Atmos support that for me, they were plenty loud, enough for me to sit through a movie and hear everything that's being said. As far as the software that powers this little beast, it's running the latest WebOS 24 that works incredibly well with Apple Home and an Apple AirPlay, so you can cast anything from your laptop or phone, and it also has screen share for Android users and devices like Windows laptops via Bluetooth, so anyone with any kind of devices is able to connect to it without a problem. Now here's some unique features that you get with this projector. First, you get auto screen adjustment that automatically sets the focus and keystone. Second, you get a screen scaling and shifting that allows you to adjust the projector to any part of the wall where you might have a picture frame or anything else. And lastly, if you have colored walls, like I assume that most people do, it has 8 different wall colors that it will adapt to for the best picture quality no matter what, which is really nice. So with all that said, it is pretty impressive for what you get in this mini 4K ultra short throw projector. It's small but packed with incredible hardware and software to transform any part of your home into a movie theater. So if you want to check it out for yourself, I'll have all of the the links in the video description and the pinned comment below. So go ahead and subscribe above to see more videos like this, and check out another great video over there. I'm Ben, and we'll see you in the next one.